we had studied in part 1 division, cancellation, common factors, and also division by numbers in unit 9. Now in part 2 we learn division by numbers which are closer to whole number like 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, etc. Let us start with the problem, because in mathematics observing the problem steps is far better than just theoretical inputs. Move 415 divided by 99. 99 is nearer to 100. So we write this like this: 2415 99. 100 minus 99 is 01. We write like this. It is always in number of digits. How many zeros are there? In 100 there are 2 zeros, so it will be 01. Now 100 has 2 zeros, so from the right 2 digits we mark. This will be the full number, this will be the decimal or the remainder. We write the first number as it is 2. 2 we multiply to 0 and 1. Write with the next number 0, 2. So we add this 4. Again 4 we multiply to 0 and 1. 0, 4. Quotient is 24 and the remainder is 13. This is the direct answer. If you want decimal, you have to continue like this, taking 3 as and 0 and 3. Like that it will continue. Otherwise, this is the quotient, this is the remainder. Two, 3, 5, 8, 9, 7 divided by 9, 8, 9. 9898 is nearer to 10,000. So we write this like this: 2, 3, 5. 10,000 minus 9898 is 0, 2, 1, 0. 10,000 has got 4 zeros, so this will be 4 digits. Now from right side 4, this will be the quotient, this will be the remainder. Like earlier, we write the first number 2, then 0, 2, 0, 4, 2 to the 4, 3, 0, 3, 0, 6. This is the quotient, this is the remainder. Now, if you want to do as decimal, you use the same first problem: 89, 19. 2, 0, 2, 4, 0, 4, 3, 0, 3, 5, 4, 9, 0, 9. It is 24.2. We did it both quotient and remainder, quotient, full number and with decimal. Three 064 divided by 93. We'll write it 23 07 53 064. Two digits. First number 5 by 0 the 0 5 7 so it will be 35. 336 6 7 the 42 5 6 4 9 9 7 the 63. Now we have got remainder 147 more than the divisor 93. So we can divide one more time. Minus 93 plus 1. So 570 is the quotient, 54 is the remainder. I will tell you once again, 53,064 divided by 93, two digits. First number is 5, 50 the 0, 57 the 35. So it will come to the earlier one. So 3 plus 3 6. Again 60 the 0, 67 the 42. 5 plus 4 9. 9 7 the 63. Now we add this 64, 20 and 63, it becomes 147 more than 93. So one more time it will go. We reduce 93 to 54. We add this quotient, increase by 1, 570. So 570 is the quotient, 54 is the remainder. $25,847 divided by 5. Now it is more than 100. We will write as it is 25,847 112. 100 minus 112 is minus 12. So we write like this, minus 1, minus 2. And 100 has got two digits, so only two digits. This will be the full number, this will be the remainder. Now first is 2, minus 2, minus 2. We add this 5 and minus 2, you get 3, minus 3, minus 6. 8, minus 4, 4, minus 3 is 1. Now we multiply this, minus 1, minus 2. Now 4 minus 6 minus 1 is minus 3. 7 minus 2 is plus 1. So this has to be now made plus. For this we have to take 1 from this side. So 230. It is not 10, it is 112. Because when you have divided, you have got 1. So this will be 112 minus 30 plus 1. That gives you 87. 230 is the quotient, 87 is the remainder. Whenever you are taking 1 this side, it is not 10, it is equivalent to the divisor. If you are taking 2, 2 into 112. Now this we have seen in the case of numbers nearing to 100, 10,000, 1 lakh, etc. But suppose the number is not near. can we do this? As we did earlier, some adjustments can be made, multiply, division, and if we are able to get number nearer to 100, 10,000, 1 lakh, we can make it bigger. You'll see one problem. 79,000 divided by 37. 37 is not near 100 or to 10. But we can multiply by 3. It becomes 111. Minus 1, minus 1. 2 digits. We have multiplied 37 by 3. So the answer also should be multiplied by 3. If you are dividing the divisor, answer also should be divided. If the divisor is multiplied, answer should be multiplied. Now this is 7, minus 7, minus 1. 2, minus 2, minus 2. 0. Seven. Now this is the answer we got. 727. Now we had multiplied with this answer also we have multiplied. Now 72 is more than 37. So one time it goes. Reminder 30. Quotient is 216. What we did is, we cannot divide using this method by 37 because it's not near 100. We made it near 100 by multiplying by 3. Now it is 111. So 79,990 divided by 111. 1 and 1 negative. We adopted the method, we got 720 and 72 as the remainder when the divisor is 111. Now we have to do with the divisor 37. So we multiply this answer by 3, we get 2160. Now the divisor is 37, remainder is 72. This remainder is more than the divisor, so one more time it goes. We can add to the quotient and reduce that, and that is the remainder. So 2161 is the quotient, 35 is the. So in this problem what we did is division by numbers which are nearer to 100, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, etc. With some adjustment we get the quotient and the remainder. But even sometimes even if the number is not near to these numbers like 100, 10,000, 1 lakh, we can convert them the divisor by multiplying or divide. For example, let us say 198 is the divisor. You divide by 2, you get 99, nearer to 100. Of course, the answer also should be divided by 2. Because the divisor is now reduced. In that case, the answer is more. So, answer has to be less, so it has to be reduced. In this case, we have multiplied by 3, so the divisor has been increased. So, the answer should also be increased by the same number of times. Here we have multiplied by 3, divisor is increased by 3 times, so the answer should be increased by 3. So this is applicable when the number is nearer to 100, 10,000, 1 lakh, etc. But alternatively, if we are able to change the divisor into by multiplying or dividing, bringing it near to the such numbers, still it can be made.